Hey Curly Tees! Today we're making a hemp seed based moisturizer with a lotion consistency and a major assist from sodium lactate. There's no need to get fancy. Use purified or distilled water. Betaine is an excellent extract made from sugar beets. Use it as a humectant. Over 15% of this recipe will be added after heating and combining the two phases. Make sure to have 2 jars or bowls. Because we're using Olivine 1000, I want to heat the two phases separately, instead of at the same time like we do with BTMS 50. I'm using shea butter, but you can use whatever butter you prefer. Mango or another skin-loving butter will work just fine. While the two phases are heating, get your cool down ingredients ready. Nature Silk is always a good addition to hair and skin products. Sodium lactate is another humectant which is said to increase moisture retention. It's also thought to help brighten the skin overall over time. That's it, Curly Tees. Enjoy your mix now because you made this with your own hands. Don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including full ingredients, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at patreon.com if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.